Now today I am going to discuss the graph of y is equal to cosec x. Graph of y is equal to cosec x means y is equal to 1 by sin x. So see here x and y. In the first quadrant 0 degree here, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, 180 degree, this is the first and second quadrant. In first quadrant here and x lies between 0 to 90 degree here, second quadrant 90 to 180 degree. So see here, first of all I am drawing first and second quadrant. Graph in the first and second quadrant. So see here. X, x dash, y, y dash. This is the origin 0 degree, 90 degree, 180. See a sine when it equal to 0, x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, 1 by sine 0 and 1 by 0 is infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity. Now in 30 degree, the sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, so 2 will go up. So here y is equal to 1 by sine 30 degree. So sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, so this one becomes 2. Y is equal to 1 by sine 45 degree. So 1 by root 2, so will become root 2. 60 degree, here y is equal to 1 by sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, so this 2 will go up. So become 2 by root 3. Now see here, sine 90, so y is equal to 1 by sine 90. So sine 90 degree is 1, so 1 by 1 is 1. Now this is in the first quadrant, we know that cosec theta is positive. All t ratios are positive in first quadrant. Now come to the in second quadrant. In second quadrant, see here, cosec 120 degree. So cosec 1 into 90 plus 30 degree. So cos x here, cos x change into sec. Odd number, cos x change into sec. Sec 30 degree. Now see here, cosec is positive in second quadrant. Sine and cosec positive in second quadrant. So here cosec is positive in second quadrant. So positive sign. Sec 30 degree, and we know that sec is 1 by cos 30 degree, and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So here becomes 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3. Similarly, now find out 135. You will get sec 45. Sec 45 is root 2. Now here 150 degree. So cosec here 151 into 90 plus 60. So become cosec 150 degree becomes sec. Here cos 1 into 90 plus 60. So cosec change into sec. So sec 60 degree. Here become 2. Now 180. So cosec 180 degree means cosec 2 times 90 plus 0 degree. So see here. So no change. Cosec 0 degree. And cosec 0 1 by sine 0 degree. So 1 by 0 infinity. So it means see here, when it is 0 degree, when it is 0 degree, so the value is here infinity, and 0 degree value is infinity. So start from the infinity, and here suppose here 1, here minus 1. So see here, when 0 degree it is infinity here, infinity. When 90 degree become 1, 90 degree is 1. So it will go like this. See here, here the value is decreasing. Value is decreasing here in the first quadrant. Now here value is increasing. Value increasing. Now minus when 0 degree infinity, when 90 degree 1, this is here 90 degree 1. Now 180 degree infinity. You draw on a graph paper. Here become 90 degree. When it is 90 degree, then the value is 1. Now this is the first and second quadrant. You can see here in the first quadrant, is decreasing, and in second quadrant is increasing. See here, if I will write here 90 degree minus 90 degree, here minus 90 degree, here minus 180 degree. So see here, when 0 degree, here 0 and it is infinity. Now come to the in fourth quadrant. If angle is negative and here slightly less than, here if you put here minus, 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 here minus, so sine here cosec minus 90 degree. So minus 90 degree lies in fourth quadrant, so become minus 1 by here cosec we can write minus 1 by sine 90 degree and equal to minus 1. So here value become in the lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant value is negative. So here become negative. So see here, when it is 90 degree, minus 90 degree, the value is minus 1. Value is minus 1 here. When 90 degree, the value is minus 1. Now, you can see here, when you are going towards this side, see here, minus infinity to minus 1. Here left side slightly less than 0 degree, slightly less than 0 degree means minus 0.00001. So you will get here almost minus infinity. You will get here minus infinity. So see here, so you will get here minus infinity to minus 1. On a graph paper, you will draw on a graph paper and the graph will come like this. So see here how. See here 90 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 90 degree, value is minus 1. Now see here, when you will come here 120 degree, so minus 120 degree, minus 135 degree, minus 150, minus 180. So see here the value become, so this one minus 120 degree. So see here the diagram here, the revolving ray moves clockwise direction. Revolving ray moves clockwise direction, angle become negative. Now will be here the minus 120 degree, it means like this here will come here in the third quadrant. In third quadrant is negative, cosec is negative, so you have to put here negative sign. Here also negative, here also negative and here also negative. Minus 180 degree means slightly here less than minus 180 degree. See here, here minus 180 degree but slightly less than 180 degree means minus 179.9999, minus 179.999, then value become very less and will be here. So this is your the graph of y is equal to cosec x. So see here, when minus 120 degree, so minus 120 degree lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant is negative. 135 minus 135 minus root 2 lies in third quadrant. Minus 180 degree means slightly less than minus 180 degree. So you can take minus 179.9999. You will get the value very large, but negative sign. So this is the graph of y is equal to cosec x. Similarly, you can draw more than 180 and less than minus 120 degree. So your graph will be like this. So it means here we can see that there is no graph between minus 1 to 1. There is no graph between minus 1 to 1. So see here, the range of this one is close interval 1 to infinity. Close interval 1 to infinity. And here minus infinity to minus 1. So range of cosec x. So it means cosec x belongs to, see here in the bracket, I am writing here in the bracket cosec x belongs to open interval minus infinity to minus 1 union, here minus 1 is included, that's why a closed interval, and here 1 to infinity. So this is the range of cosec x. The range of cosec x is minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. See here, in between there is no graph. See here, minus 1 to 1, there is no graph. Graph is coming here, see here, minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity. Okay, so in between the graph is not defined. Here, if sin x equal to 0 degree, so here 1 by sine 0 is not defined. So domain is the set of all real number. So this is your RF. And domain is the set of all real number except 0. Domain is the set of all real number except 0. Why? Because x equal to 0, 1 by sine 0 is equal to infinity, not defined. So domain is the set of all real number except 0, and the range of cosec x is minus infinity to minus 1. Minus 1 is included, union 1 to infinity. So see here, at 0, when 1 by sine 0 is 0, so 1 by 0 is infinity. So cosec is not defined at 0. Similarly, x equal to pi. So sine pi is 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined. So similarly, 3 pi, 2 pi, minus pi. So we can write like this: domain is the set of all real number minus n pi. Here we can write minus n pi, where n belongs to integer. So see here, n is equal to 0. So it means at 0 not defined angle. N is equal to 1. So here not defined because sin pi, 1 by sin pi is 1 by sin pi. Sin pi is 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity, not defined. Similarly, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi. So n belongs to, we can generalize the case, n is equal to set of integer. So domain is the set of all real number minus n pi, and this is your range.